Yep.
Hello everyone, Americana out here. I'm with my friend Deadeye here. He's going to be a future YouTuber. His YouTube channel is going to be called Deadeye. I just hope you guys enjoy. We're going to be shooting my AR-15 here. I had them targets down there, pointing down the range. Mom. Yeah, we're recording right now is my mom. You get in her back. My mom's filming for me, and we're going to be shooting our AR-15. Yeah, we got our... Okay, we're going to be starting shooting now. I just hope you guys enjoy. Well,
Wait a minute.
keep it recording, Mom. Oh, you guys enjoy this. What?
Helmet ain't bulletproof. Shot all year?
Yeah. Hey. Okay, everyone.
Ow.
I'm gonna be showing you the targets, and hope you guys enjoy. Come on, Dad.
Put it down over here.
What funny thing is?
Ain't got no earplugs in.
Okay, everyone watching this, make sure you wear earplugs.
Shut up.
Earplugs when you do shoot, because you will end up going blind. Death. I mean, sorry, just ignore that part, guys. When you do shoot, make sure you wear earplugs.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
God.
Here's our targets. See, I don't know who shot the ball. Oh my God, that thing is ruptured.
I don't even
Look at that helmet.
know where I hit it.
Not like you. I think you went through the hole. Oh, you hit? I hit it some too. I don't know where I hit it. No, my friend Deadeye here. I don't know where he hit it.
Probably right.
Yeah, right on top, possibly. But we shot all this stuff. I just hope you guys enjoy my friend Deadeye making that thing. He didn't wear earplugs.
Oh, that drink went everywhere.
Yeah, that drink went everywhere. That's what happens. You shoot a half cup of drink and that poor Dr. Pepper can, and that's old pan we found.
That was me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I hit it some right there.
Now I know I hit this.
Somewhere, Deadeye.
I hit it somewhere, yeah. I ain't worried about it.
Okay.
You did a pretty good job.
Yeah, we did a pretty good job. Okay, everyone. I just hope you.
Haha.
Only he found where he hit it this time.
Yep. Right through the back.
Okay, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy me filming this of me shooting my rifle and my brother's 308. I just hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a comment, leave a like. I'll see you guys later. See you guys.